Let's learn vehicle's name with alphabets.
A is for ambulance, speeding down the street. B is for bus, where we take our seat. C is for car, driving near and far. D is for drone, flying like a star. E is for electric bike, buzzing through the day. F is for ferry, sailing on the bay. A, B, C, let's go riding free. D, E, F, hop along with me. Learn the vehicles from A to Z. We're on a journey, come and see. G is for gondola, gliding on the lake. H is for helicopter, the sky we take. I is for ice cream truck, playing music sweet. J is for jet, fast as lightning streak. K is for kayak, paddling in a stream. L is for limousine, a luxury dream. A, B, C, let's go riding free. D, F, hop along with me. Learn the vehicles from A to Z. We're on a journey. M's for motorcycle, revving loud and clear. N's for narrow boat, on the canalier. O's for off-road truck, rugged and tough. P's for Billy's car, rushing in a